alternative. Baga, everybody can live their lives, pero sa akin medyo I concentrate on events, fashion, photography. Pangit di ba pagka sinabing fashion tapos lalaki o sabihin ba din mo? There's a, di ba? Let's kasi men don't usually do articles for fashion telling another woman that she dresses funky or weird. So parang yun ang medyo gusto kong i-broaden sana. Yan. Tapos I'm also a fashion photographer. I got some of my works published in Digital Photographer Philippines, which is like a Bible for photographers here in the Philippines. Tapos, what's the again? Okay.
The roles of vloggers.
Yung role ko bilang isang vlogger is that I keep to it that my vlog stays true to what I feel, what I want to say, and with anything, if there are going to be some paid articles, it might influence me. I'm not plastic. It might influence me to write a good thing or two about the product, about that particular incident. But of course, it's still going to be coming from me. It's my words. So I just keep to it na meron lang akong ini-employ na etiquette sa vlogging. Kasi sabi nga, sa mga issues this past few months, yun yung medyo nakikita kong problem ng vlogging sa Philippines. Minsan, wala nang etiquette na ginagawa. May mga bastos, may mga, alam mo yan, iba-iba kasi tayong tao. So, yung personalities come out. Kung merong mahilig sa loot bag, tulad dun sa thread na nabasa ko, kung may mga ganon, it's okay. Just as long as you don't, alam mo yun, sa pakikipagtao mo na lang sa PR person, sasabihan mo ba naman na, hoy, nasan yung loot bag ko? Diba? Diba parang lang, kumbaga, nasa tao na rin yun eh. Kung paano ka pinalaki ng parents mo, kung paano mo gawin yung pakikaharap sa isang tao, nasa sa'yo na yun. So, kung ano man yung mga niche ninyo, ipagpatuloy niyo lang at see to it na you employ etiquette. Yun lang yung mapapaya.
Right.
Because it's a big factor on how you can be successful. Kasi doon makukuha sa inyo kung respectable ba itong vlogger na to o hindi. Diba? Kung magiging Hilton, what's his name again? Paris Hilton?
Paris Hilton, yeah.
Diba? Napakakilala niya na sa Hollywood. He knows all the celebrities, he knows the ins and outs of Hollywood. But of course, nung mga lately na lang, nahalataan na bastos siya, na masama ang ugali niya. Ang nangyayari na lang, lagi niya nilalait yung mga celebrities ang vlog niya. And he becomes famous for that. Pero, na-realize niya, maybe like this year only, na kailangan na niya mag-tone down. Kailangan na niyang harapin ang reality na hindi lang sa pagiging bastos, pagiging sikat at respectable siyang tao. Ang nangyayari na nga, binabastos na nga siya. So, if ever you're gonna be successful someday, sana huwag kayong bastos. Yun lang.
Alright. Any objections? Reactions? Comments? Wala? Walang gusto mag-agree dyan?
Pasensya na, serious yan.
Okay lang yan, okay lang yan. So next speaker, si Michelle.